Make a great choice today with the 2009 Sky. The Saturn Sky is a two-seat roadster designed to compete against the Mazda MX-5 Miata and other roadsters. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.